On August 21, 1986, a quiet lake in northwestern Cameroon released an invisible cloud that killed 1,746 people in their sleep. Lake Nyos sits inside a volcanic crater, and its deep waters had been silently absorbing CO2 from magma below for centuries. That night, something triggered the lake to overturn, and 80 million cubic meters of CO2 rolled down the valley at 60 miles per hour, displacing all the oxygen for 16 miles. Engineers installed degassing pipes in 2001 to vent the gas slowly, but the lake is still saturated, and the natural rock dam holding it back is crumbling. If that dam fails, 50 million cubic meters of water will flood Nigeria, and the pressure drop will release every molecule of trapped CO2 at once. New one drops every day. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Comment